In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page on Google Forms. Let's dive right in and imagine you're crafting a survey or questionnaire and you want to organize your questions into separate sections or pages for clarity and ease of navigation. Google Forms offers a straightforward way to do this, enhancing both the creation and completion experience of your forms. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Google account. Head over to the Google Forms website. Once there, look for the Sign In button. Click on it, then enter your email address and click Next. After your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Fill it in and hit Sign In again. This brings you into the main dashboard of Google Forms, where all your form crafting begins. Now you've made it to the dashboard, great. Your next step is to navigate to the specific form you're working to update. If you've got a bunch of forms, you might have to scroll a bit or use the search function to find the one you're looking for. Once you've identified the right form, click on it to open it up for editing. This is where the real fun begins. With your form open, look for the Add Section button. This is usually represented by a two-layered icon, symbolizing the addition of a new section or page to your form. Clicking this icon is like opening a door to more organized possibilities. Each new section you create essentially acts as a separate page within your form, allowing you to group related questions together, making the form more navigable and less overwhelming for respondents. Clicking the Add Section button will automatically add a new section to your form. Here you can give your new section a title and description. This is particularly useful for guiding your respondents through the form or providing instructions specific to each section. For example, if your form is a survey with different topics, each section can be dedicated to a different topic. This not only makes your form look more professional, but also significantly improves the user experience for your respondents. Remember, each section operates independently within your form, so you can add, remove, or rearrange sections as needed without affecting the overall structure of your form. It's a dynamic way to tailor your form to your specific needs, ensuring you collect responses in the most organized manner possible. That wraps up our quick guide on adding a new page or section to your Google Forms. Remember, the key is to make your forms user-friendly, and organizing your questions into sections is a brilliant way to achieve that. Try it out and see how it transforms the efficiency and clarity of your data collection efforts. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy form making.